All right, and we're back with our even watch list video. Let's jump right into it. Markets have been pretty quiet this week so far. This here is your theta. So, just as we talked about yesterday, you have the rally alert. You got the upside production today. You're in a locked in bull market. Right now, the market is trying to make a run back up here to test the 52-week highs. So far, that is a good sign in your theta. We'll see if the market can get enough energy behind it to continue. Next, we have XRP Ripple, and you have the bullish trend momentum reading on this one as well, locked in bull market, but you're starting to get signs of an algo shift here, which could mute any type of continuation rally at this point and keep the market consolidated. This yellow bar here is your consolidation bar. And so when you start seeing stuff like this, it means that you're gonna just move sideways. So sideways for the time being in your XRP Ripple. As far as ZEC or Zcash, you have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Is the market's going to try to make a run for a nice solid close above 32 as early as possibly tomorrow. Got the bullish trend momentum reading. You're in a locked in bear market rally, and it seems that the market has more upside production to give you. Switching our focus now to the gold market. And as you can see here, the market continued to strong arm power its way up, but not enough to take away the bearish trend momentum reading. So you're still getting a sell the rally situation, and you're also still heavily consolidated. Technically speaking, the market could break either way. The bull market trend can relock in and reclaim the price action, or you could still roll over from here. So very dodgy goings here in your gold market. I would have expected a little bit more here, but looking over to the silver, though, you see that you still got the bearish trend momentum reading, and the price action did edge lower. So you're starting to get a little bit more downside production. 24 is a key psychological support here. Can the market hold, or is it going to come down here to the 2276 support? And then below that, you got right here at 2276. So 2276 and 2343. So yeah, you got this is pretty far down here. This is a big old gulf. And the way the price action is behaving, it's looking like at any moment you can really get a washout here. So definitely be on alert if you're trading these precious metals. Now, over on the currency front, US dollar index is muscling its way, trying to stay above that 104 handle, and that's putting pressure on your euro. As you can see here, you still have the bearish trend momentum reading, and that has not come off, and you're inside of the Kumo cloud. The euro is struggling here to stay inside of that cloud. Once it falls out of the cloud, it goes into free fall status. Also putting a little bit of pressure here on your pound sterling, which already dropped below the Kumo cloud, still has a bearish trend momentum reading here too. Looking very bearish for the euro and the pound sterling. The gold market is not helping the Aussie right now, as it's still stuck in consolidation, has the bullish trend momentum reading, so it's locked in enough to have the pullbacks intraday to be right back bid again. But this Kumo cloud is proving to be a very tough resistance. 66 is a key resistance. So you got 66 and you got 67, both key resistance areas for the Aussie dollar. Really struggling to get anything going there whatsoever. Looking at the S&P 500, so you're starting to get downside production here too, but very, very, very muted trading sessions. It's as if everyone decided they were going to take their entire week off and no one's home. No one's doing anything. All right, then you take a look here at the NASDAQ, same thing, muted trading sessions. It's like the whole week is a holiday. Very strange price action, or should I say lack thereof. Then you look here at the Dow, same thing. Very muted trading sessions, nothing happening whatsoever in your markets. And then finishing it off with the stock indices and the Russell, again, consolidating up here, refusing to fall, but also can't rally. Then you have here your Bitcoin. Bitcoin also hanging out up here at the resistance zone, 70K. It's proven to be a tough barrier right now, but you're still in a locked-in bull market, so there's nothing bearish on the chart. Taking a look here at the Ethereum future, same thing. You're wide open. You're in a locked-in bull market on all of these, so there's nothing to do here. Yeah, I see you, Thomas. What up in the live chat there? I do see you. I see your hand raised. Let me see what I can do for you here on your request. Long time no see, Mr. Thomas. All right, so you want to see SVAIX. Let's see what we got. All right. All right. As far as okay, you mentioned the ETS. I have a S. Okay, here it is. Gotcha. All right, this is the short VIX futures ETF, and as you can see, it's up here overbought, consolidating too. You just hit another 52-week high today. You got up there to $43.12. So this one seems to be pretty much on fire. It's pretty strong. You said launched in 2022. Okay. Yeah, so it's benefiting from the stock indices. This reminds me of the SVXY, from back in the day. But yeah, it seems to be holding its own right now. It is in a bull market. It's in a locked-in bull market with a bullish trend momentum reading for sure. So there's definitely nothing bearish on the chart whatsoever. It does look like it wants to continue to run from here. Just when you get overbought like this, man, it's just you got to be careful because you know that the pullback can be sharp when you haven't really had one. And then not only that, but then you got a situation where you got, you know, a big correction coming behind that. So that has a lot of dangerous potential and pent up energy in it. All right, folks. So that's what it is, man. It's not a lot to write home about. Nothing's happening. We got tickets going. We got orders pending, but nothing's getting triggered. Nothing's going on. Nothing's happening. I know it's a holiday week, but the holiday doesn't technically start until Friday. Markets closed on Friday, but interesting turn of events so far. I think the risk is to the downside though for a lot of these markets. The risks is to the downside. All right. The bulls have everything locked up, sold up. But at any moment things can just fall apart. So be careful, all right? Be careful. Yeah, I don't think you're wrong, Thomas. Tom says he believes it's one of the Fed's main tools to prop the indices, even when the U.S. dollar strengthens. Talking about the SVIX ETF. Yeah, I have to agree with you on that one, my man. All right, that's all we got, folks. So we're going to break off to our private segment for our pulse waivers to help them place their orders. You know what it is. Smash the like button. Share if you like the content. You never know who it may help or encourage or inform. And remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And on that note, I'm out. Yeah, happy Resurrection Week to you too, my man. Happy Resurrection Week. Peace.